Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Danny and this is Project Fearn UK. Welcome to the new unit, Project Fearn HQ. Before I show you around, I'm going to get this wall painted behind me. That's the first coat done. I won't bore you doing a time lapse of me painting a wall. I know it's lockdown and everyone's bored, but I definitely wouldn't do that to you. So yeah, let's try and get an idea of what's going on in here. The unit's 6.5 metres by 6.5 metres and I should be able to get 3 cars in. I'm only going to have 2 cars in, so I can have one up in the corner there and then the Saxo can go here while I work on it. I've got permission to have a 2-poster ramp put in. The ceiling height's 3.5 metres, so I should get away with it. Get a bench over in the corner as well. I'm just excited to get in a unit really. As I've mentioned in other videos, it can be a bit weird doing stuff on the drive, recording, neighbours watching and stuff. I'm not a conscious lad, I'm a pretty confident lad, but still, I feel like I can't fully be myself in videos where I've got my own little space now, my own little bubble. And yeah, I can crack on in here. This wall needs a second coat. I'm going to let that dry, have a bit more of a tidy up in here. Got more stuff coming this week. I think the Saxo's being dropped off on Thursday. And I've got a new project which I'm going to reveal at the weekend that's getting dropped off on Saturday. Got a big banner that's going up there, Project Fearn, with the new logo on. As I said in the post that I put on YouTube, I know it was called Project Ford UK. I have got another Ford coming. That's as much as I'm going to reveal at the moment. But I just thought I'll use my last name. I'm proud of my last name and I just like it. So yeah, it's Project Fearn now. No longer Project Ford UK, but the channel's still going to be Ford biased. This is update 1 on the unit. It's going to be fun seeing what I can get in here. Hopefully one day I outgrow it and I can go and get a premises with a bit of a nice office in it and a toilet that you can use and stuff. But there is a toilet round corner, so I'm not bothered that much. Well, there you go people, just a quick update of what I'm up to. I know I've not posted a video for a couple of weeks, but I am on with things. I've got the Saxo to finish. I've got the other project that's on its way. I've been sorting this unit out, Project Fearn HQ. Be nice once I get a couch in here and a kettle and a fridge and stuff and I can make it a bit more cosy. But keep coming back, please hit the subscribe button, comments down below, hit the like button and I'll see you next time.